After completing a service intervention, don't forget to register it. Thanks to Power Connect, the process is very easy. The power is in your pocket. First, scan the QR code on the service kit. You can do so with your smartphone's camera. The Power Connect app opens automatically. Click on Register Service. You will then be prompted to enter the machine serial number. From within the app, scan the QR code on the unit. This will take you to an overview of its characteristics. Clear the running hours. You need to enter a new and up-to-date total manually. Look up the machine's running hours on its controller. Log that number in the Power Connect app and press Submit. There you are. The unit service log has been updated for future reference. Power Connect, the power of information.